Do Nvidia's latest results mean that we're not actually in an AI bubble? Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably seen that there's been loads of talk going on about an AI bubble. And even Alphabet CEO was talking to the BBC recently, sharing his concerns about the situation. Well, all of these concerns meant that Nvidia's latest earnings report was more anticipated than usual, and they actually managed to blow through expectations and deliver better results than even the most positive analysts were expecting. And due to these results, I've seen some commentary saying that, we're not in an AI bubble, and Nvidia's latest results prove that. But I think a little bit differently. Yes, there's no doubt that Nvidia is making bucket loads of money still, but over 40% of its business comes from just a few companies, big tech firms like Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Oracle. So those are also companies that are making money and they are paying Nvidia with real money. But that's not really where the AI bubble concerns lie. The concerns partly come down to the fact that these big tech companies are pouring billions and billions into AI, and notably Nvidia. It's unsustainable, and we're not sure exactly how long they can keep making these huge investments without seeing any significant returns. Now, the results from Nvidia did lead to an uptick in the aftermarket hours share price for Nvidia, which is great, and the rest of the market looks really positive because of that. But I don't think this is enough to quell the concerns that we are amidst an AI bubble. I think that there's still plenty of room to grow because there is a lot of money that's actually being injected into companies like Nvidia from the big tech companies. But the question is, how long can this last? And is it sustainable for the next 5 years, the next 10 years? Personally, I don't think so. I wouldn't take an extreme approach like the likes of Michael Burry, who's been shorting Nvidia and Palantir. But I do think that there is some sense in being wary of the growth around the AI sector because it's been so explosive. And I don't think this one set of earnings from Nvidia, however good they were, is enough to quell those concerns.